Hi, I'm Michelle Cook, and I'd like to welcome you to my first Skillshare class. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about my experience with print-on-demand vendors. I have always been a bit of a frustrated creative, and I've tried many things to sort of develop a little side hustle and little income on the side. And some of the things I've tried is crochet. I even developed an entire line of ridiculous yoga bags, and I created jewelry for a while, and I also do drawings of several of my friends' animals and things like that. But my problem was that none of this ever scaled. I basically became a one-woman sweatshop, and I was always looking for what's next for me and how do I take this much further and faster. And that's when I realized that there were these print-on-demand vendors out there, and I tried quite a few of them, and I'd like to share some of my experience with that with you in this class, so that you can make an educated decision, hopefully a lot faster than I did. And I can tell you some of the things I learned about them, what I like, what I don't like, and hopefully this will guide you along your journey. And by the end of the class, you should be able to select at least one print-on-demand vendor and begin creating your own shop and start selling online today. So hopefully this will give you another avenue to take your creative work to a much broader audience, faster, cheaper, with very little risk. And I'll talk through some of the benefits of why I chose print on demand and why I think you'll choose it too. Thank you.